Another video today. I wanted to do my full review of my Samsung Galaxy A70. I haven't been able to do it because some things came up, but I'm able to give you a full review. So let's get started. So I've had this phone for about maybe 5 to 6 weeks, a whole month now, and I'm still loving it like the day I first purchased the device. It's very thin and light, you know, doesn't have that much weight to it, but it's nice to hold. It's nice to hold in the hand. I keep on going back from a case and then holding it with no case because I love the way it feels. But I will say, be careful, because as you can see up here, I have a little nick right there. I don't know where it came from. I don't know if it fell or did the case scratch it up, but I do have a little nick. But I do have a screen protector coming in that'll cover that up. But I just wanted to get on here and let you know my thoughts and how I feel about the Samsung Galaxy A70, because I no longer have my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. If anybody wanted to know, I don't have it anymore. I'm using the Samsung Galaxy A70. As of right now, I don't have any flagship devices, and that is okay with me. I'm happy with my purchases. But this is a great device. I'm glad I picked it up. It does what I need it to do. It has an okay battery life. It has that little dewdrop notch that does not get in the way of things. The colors are great on the device. Like I said, I don't miss my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. The fingerprint sensor is okay. It's not the greatest, but hey, you get what you get. This is a mid-range device, so I'm not expecting anything to blow me out of the way. The cameras are great to me. That's just what I prefer and what I think. You know, somebody else might have this phone and be like, oh, the cameras is trash. To me, the cameras is good. Video recording is good on this device. I'm running Nova Launcher on it, but it's smooth, no lag. Like I said, it does what I need to do. Yes, I would prefer this device if you want a big device, a big Samsung device, but you don't want to go out and get the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. You can go pick you up a Samsung Galaxy A70. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube video, and I'll catch you the next time. Bye.